Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Sincata, Chief Chemist for ColorWow, and I want to share with you the exciting science behind our CurlWow products that create perfectly bundled curls without leaving the hair greasy, weighed down, or with a cast. Our mission was to leave the hair looking and feeling as if there was nothing on it at all. And that was the tricky part. So how did we do it? With what we call naked technology. And the key to that is our Perfexil 18 complex. Here's why I believe Perfexil 18 will change the future of curl care. This complex, which is in all our leave-in CurlWow formulas, except the shampoo, makes moisture available to the curls in a whole new way. Up until now, the oils and emollients in curl products did not fully penetrate the surface of the hair, and they were lying unevenly on the surface of the hair, so the strands don't look or feel totally natural. Perfexil 18 breaks down the rich, natural oils and emollients that we use in our formula and dramatically reduce their particle size. These, in chemistry, what we call micro dispersions, can quickly and evenly penetrate the hair shaft, lubricating the internal keratin chains, giving the curls optimal mobility and elasticity. In addition, the 18-MEA in the complex, and if you don't understand 18-MEA, it's that natural outer lipid layer of healthy virgin hair, rises to the surface of each strand as the hair dries, forming a tight, transparent sheath. This sheath traps in the moisturizers and creates a smooth, glossy surface that looks natural and feels dry, not greasy to the touch. Think of how pudding sets up. As it cools, it gets a thin, smooth, glossy surface that is dry to the touch, not wet, while the pudding stays moist beneath the surface. CurlWow formulas with Perfexil 18 free you from those heavy, weighty, crunchy curl products. With our new naked technology, you could finally expose the natural beauty of your curls.